We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother HL3170 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the waste toner. So if you're getting a replace waste toner message, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to want to do is we're going to want to open the top of this printer by grabbing this big handhold at the front of the printer, carefully lifting up until you feel it click into its locked open position. Once we have that open, the next thing we need to do is remove all four of our drums and toners. So starting at the front, we'll just carefully remove all four of these, setting them on a clean, dry, flat surface. And again, being very careful while we're removing these, not to scratch anything, drop anything, or just bump them around too much. Okay. We now have all four of our drums and toners removed. The next thing we need to do is remove our belt unit. So once you get all four of the drums and toners removed, you're going to see this big green handle right towards the front of the printer. That's going to be the handle for your belt unit. So you're going to want to grab, there's a little handhold at the front of it. Grab it by the green handhold, carefully lift up, and then slide out of the printer. And that's your belt unit. Again, just whenever you're handling your belt unit, be very careful not to touch any of this film at the front. You only want to handle it by this green handle here. So be very careful when you're moving that. And again, only handle that by that green handle. Now once you have your belt unit removed, when you look inside the bottom of the printer, you'll see one more green handle. That's going to be your waste toner. So you're just going to reach your hand in, you're going to grab that green handle, you're going to lift up, and again, kind of pull. You're going to lift up and then you can pull it out, and this is your waste toner. Once you have your new one unpacked, ready to go, we're just going to put it back in the exact same way. You're going to want to start up at an angle, and then the seat at the front of it should sit nice and flush inside of there. So once you have your waste toner installed, then we can replace our belt unit. So again, grabbing by the green handle, you're going to want to start up at an angle, slide the back of the belt unit into position, and then lower the green handle down until you feel it click down into place. Now that we have our belt unit installed, now we can reinstall all of our drums and toners. So we're just going to start with the black in the back of the printer, get the black installed, and then work our way forward. Again, being careful not to knock anything around, drop anything like that. Now we have all four of our drums and toners installed back into the printer. We can lower this top cover, so carefully just push it down until it's closed. You don't want to slam it or anything, so just be careful when you're lowering that. Now give the printer a second to initialize and prepare the waste toner for use. Once the screen comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.